It's so early. I'm still sleepy. Very sleepy. Call time 8:30. I think I'm gonna take a nap. Just a little bit. Maybe just a little bit. Just a little bit. I have a little bit of time. I don't think napping before you start anything, especially if it's like a 7-minute nap. I want to sleep forever.
What's up, everybody? Another vlog by Fresh. I'm your host, RJ, CEO and creative director of this. Behind the camera is Johnny, also Maui Pictures. Turn the camera, let everybody see who you are.
He's bunk. He's so bunk.
Anyways, we got a crazy exciting day. As you can see, we're in the race shirt. Why? Because we're shooting race. A 1993 Nsx with T37 burnt out already. Now I want to go to the coffee shop
and get a breakfast sandwich.
Bro, it's no joke, bro. Just take a look around this thing.
So I have a question. What kit is this?
That's a Downforce USA rear fender, which I modded and made it wider. Sorcery Japan front, which I modded and made wider as well. But then all force, 2 sides, front and rear, that's mine. I made all that.
You fabricated it?
Mm-hmm. Whoa! Like you did it with your hands.
So do you have a shop?
No, I have a garage in my backyard.
Whoa! Father! These two are the best of friends since the beginning of time. They stick together all the time. Wow, the man, the myth, the legend is finally back. And Shosting. Yes, yes. It's Shosting. Yes. It's very tight. He's very tight. Oh wow, another heavy hitter appears. Barney. Dude, long time no see, brother. Dude, I miss you, dude. Dude, what the heck is that? I always want to know what that guy is.
Go to the main track right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oi!
I knew it! I knew it was coming.
A different shot. Wow.
This is real life racetrack right here. This is kind of intense, boy.
Go faster, go faster, go faster. Alright, now swing that. Moment. This is frustrating. 2 cars, but at the same time, it's pretty dope because they're both rare. Do what we came to do and film these wheels.
What is the key thing you look for when you shoot wheels?
Concavity, so you want to get that little concave look, the lugs, logos, calipers, and the brakes, and everything around it. You really just want to show and bring out that color too.
I heard you were switching up the look. New wrap? Thanks to Ro.
Race. Let's race here somewhere.
That's not race. That's not race. That's not race. It's work. Let me see, let me see, let me see.
Here.
Laces.
Here?
Oh, right there, right
Look,
there.
right there.
This is Raizu.
No, it's Raise.
That's it. Raise right here.
No, this is Raise.
That's Raizu.
This is Rice.
That's Raizu.
That's Race.
Extra rice.
When you're on the race team, is it mandatory to be swoles? Why are you guys so swoles?
You don't need to be because wheels don't weigh.
Wow!
You know. There's only so much wheel you can actually shoot. I'm trying to think of what else I could get. Oh yeah, engravements.
Why are engravements so important?
Because it signifies the wheel, where it's from, where it's made, how they do their machining, why it's so strong, all that type of stuff.
How about the spot by the fountain? The true RJ has returned.
Let's test this shot.
Wow! right, go, go, go. This is actually pretty freaking sick. We're on the actual racetrack. Prepping for a Formula Drift here in Long Beach. It's a good time. That's freaking sick, dude. Really, you made me walk. You know how much calories I lost right now? I'm full, bro. I'm gonna have to eat more tonight. E85 live. Dude, this Evo is so intense. Chasing J's, everything.
Too busy. So we're gonna end right here at the beach.
That's 2 cars already.
All I know, we got what we needed. We didn't get what we want. But you know what? That happens sometimes. Just gotta take what you get. So, end of the day. Roy, you need any more shots?
Shots of Henny.
It's Henny time.